Look at this. Oh my god.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
That's a great
wouldn't this be a great place to park today?
Yes, please.
Wow. Oh my gosh. It's so hazy. That's the tornado sirens.
Yeah. I don't see much of an inflow now.
This has got to get more time to organize. It's gonna be there.
Yeah.
Right by the highway sign.
Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at as well.
There it is. You can see a nice inflow tail on the right. Low base. There's something in the middle there that's like dark.
Yeah, I would guess precip.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Oh yeah. But
There's
nothing lowering at all.
Tornado warning in Michigan. This is west of Three Rivers. That rotation's gone a bit stronger over the last few minutes. So Kalamazoo, your rotation is.
Yeah, look at that left side.
Oh yeah. Bro, you can move over.
I see it. I got it.
Wow, look at this. Horseshoe. Horseshoe shape.
But it's still a medium to stronger area rotation that's developing northwest of Three Rivers. Experienced Schoolcraft, Michigan, you gotta be in your safe place now. A strong tornado is a possibility in this area. I do want to remind you guys.
This is rotating up here. It's gonna be the point of interest. Outflow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at how fast this is moving away from us. Keep up with this, we gotta go.
Yeah.
These guys are. This is the other route over here. Wow.
As there is an increasing tornado threat right now, going in the east-northeast.
Is that dropping?
So, looking at the
That's really low.
We also have golf ball-sized hill over at Thompson Hill.
It's a dissipating storm.